Hello guys, welcome to this episode of Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. My name is Kingsley, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the TrustWallet browser extension. Alright, a few days ago, TrustWallet, one of the most popular wallet providers owned by Binance, released their browser extension. So it means that you could actually access your cryptocurrencies on the browser, right? So be it Mozilla Firefox, be it Brave browser, be it Microsoft Edge, be it Google Chrome, you could actually install the browser extension on your browser and be able to access your tokens from wherever, whenever, right? So this gives room for those players in Web3 to easily access their tokens. And also with recent events ranging from the FTX collapse, one of the second largest centralized exchanges went down or beat the doors a couple of days ago, and so many users, 5 million users, lost their portfolios. Their portfolios, are hard-earned money, went down the drain just like that, because there's a saying in the crypto space: not your keys, not your coins. So it means you have to be your self-custodian of your tokens. Centralized exchanges like the likes of Binance, the likes of FTX, as it were, the likes of OKX, the likes of exchanges or wallets where you don't have the private keys or the seed phrases to your wallet, are known as custodial wallets. Non-custodial wallets are wallets that provides you the functionality and the leisure of owning your seed phrase or your private keys. So you have to keep your private keys safe where no one can reach it except you. So it means you have custody over your tokens. Alright, so you have the keys to your wallet. It means you are the rightful owner. If an exchange has the private keys to your wallet, it means they own coins, regardless if it's in your wallet or not. They own the keys. So when they go down with your tokens. All right, so that is that. TrustWallet is one of those non-custodial wallets that is out there that is doing massively well. It's widely used alongside Metamask wallet and some other non-custodial wallets. So but today I'm going to show you how to install the TrustWallet browser extension. All right, so let's get into it. So I'll go to my web browser and search for TrustWallet browser extension. Did I get that correctly? Oh, sorry, extension. All right, so I hit enter and there you go. Now you see this second result here says download the TrustWallet Chrome browser extension. So I'll hit on that link and it will take me to trustwallet.com, and then I'll have to scroll down. I'll scroll down and click on this button here, get TrustWallet extension, and then it takes me to another tab. It takes me to Chrome Web Store where I could actually add it to my Chrome. So I'll click on add button and then I'll click on add extension, and then I'll wait for that a couple of seconds. All right, so TrustWallet has been added to Microsoft Edge. All right, so I don't want to do any of those. I'll just click this button, this pop-up here, and then we are done, right? So if I go under extensions here, you see I'll have TrustWallet. So I'll click on TrustWallet here, and then from that moment we can either install a new wallet or import our wallet from elsewhere. I need data to improve our user. I don't want that. No, thank you. Then I have to set my password, right? So for first-time users, if you're going to be installing a new wallet, you have to create a password to access your wallet. Now your password is different from your seed phrase. Your seed phrase or your private keys are what makes your wallet your own, what makes your coin your coins, right? Now TrustWallet is simply an interface. It's just like a portal where enables you to graphically access your tokens. Your private keys and your seed phrases is the coins itself, or should I say are tied to your coins. So if you or lose your laptop and then you get hold of another laptop with your private keys and your seed phrases, you can actually import your tokens into a new device. All right, so take note of that. So I'll enter my password, right, and then I'll enter it again to confirm, and I'll click on proceed. So I'll take a minute to do that. Now, when I'm done with that, it's asking me to back up my secret phrase. Okay, so it will be shown a secret phrase on the next screen. It allows you to recover your wallet even if you lose your device or forget your password. Very important. So write down your secret phrase and store it in a safe place. Never share your secret phrase with anyone. If someone asks for your secret phrase, they are likely trying to access your wallet. Okay, so I'll click on start to reveal my secret phrase, which I will then copy down somewhere very safe. All right, so you see on this blurred part here is my secret phrase. You will be shown a secret phrase on the next screen. It allows you to recover your wallet even if you lose the device or forget your password, right? So now when you have properly entered your secret phrase in the order in which it was shown to you in the previous page, and then when you are done, you click on next, it will bring you to this page. All right, congratulations, your wallet has been created. Now I could just decide to make TrustWallet my default wallet when I am accessing decentralized applications on the web, on Web3. I might not want to use that, but I have another wallet installed, so I don't want to make it default. So I'll click on open wallet. So there you go. You will be greeted with this screen here, how to access dApps with TrustWallet. With TrustWallet, you have 3 ways to easily access dApps. Choose one. So when you visit a Web3 app or a protocol on the internet and it requires you to connect your wallet, you'll be prompted to either connect using the TrustWallet icon or the wallet connect icon. And then there is the third one, the injected or browser wallet icon, right? So that is that. Now, manage all your tokens easily. These are just simply tips on how to go about this. I am now ready to use TrustWallet. So you see, this is my wallet that have been installed as you saw it, right? So these are some of the coins or tokens that are pre-installed in my wallet. So if I click any of these, I can send or receive. If I want to send Matic, my wallet is empty precisely, so I want to receive tokens into my wallet. So I'll click on receive and I will be greeted. I will select the token I want to receive. I want to receive BNB. I'll click on BNB and wallet address will be revealed to me, right? Then I'll copy this and give to whoever is sending BNB tokens to me. So that is pretty much how to receive tokens. And if you want to send, if you have a balance, if you want to send, you click on send button, you select the token you want to send, and then you paste in the address, right? And then the amount of BNB token you want to send, and then click on preview, and then blah blah blah. That is pretty much how it works. So that is that, guys. There are other things I would like to explore, maybe the settings. I'm actually on Ethereum network now. I could switch to Avalanche or Polygon or BNB Smart Chain, right? And you could actually also add network yourself, custom networks yourself, right? So I want to add, say, Phantom network. I have to input these details, right? In my subsequent video, I'll show you how to add custom networks to your Trust wallet. All right, that is that. I'll go back and then I'll go to my wallet home. So guys, that is how you can see here there's no dApp connected to this wallet. If you liked this content, please do well to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and share the video, and do come back for videos like this. Please do use the comment section to tell me what you like me to do in the next video, what you would like me to do in subsequent video. Like I said, all right, that helps the channel keep growing. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed.